Mira. 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 Oh my
All right, so we just parked in the city of Manhattan Beach. So let's go show you guys around. For all of you guys that are not from California and you guys want to see what the beaches are like. Although at this point, I kind of have to wonder if you guys don't even know what it looks like because there's so many footage on YouTube. Hey, handsome boy. Hi, Papa Mojo. You're so handsome. Yes, you are. Oh, sorry. I don't know, baby. What's he feel? I need to pee. Imagine when he's older. He's gonna be like, Mommy, Daddy, let's go right there. And I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna have to be like, let's go. Hi, Papa Mojo.
Yeah, that is.
Whoa. Oh. Oh, it's a community center. City of Manhattan Beach. The doggies. Father. Fire truck from station 21. It's kind of hard to see because of the. It's kind of hard to see because of the sun. But look, Papa. Look, fire trucks. An ambulance. Look at the red color. So handsome. So handsome.
Put his ears in.
Put his ears in?
Yeah.
Looks cool. Retros. Hi. Oh, look. Oh, let's go hold the balloon with baby. The balloons. Hold the balloons. Hold the balloons. That's something.
Oh.
Yeah.
A ver, le queda su papá. Ay, papi. 些放屁。
Oh, I said Einstein's bagels is Noah's bagels. Going across here? Let's go. I know, that's because people are now. Let's go, let's go. You wanna get a bagel first and then eat at the Pete's? It's right here, right? Noah's? This is where we get our bagels? Thank you very much. Well, this is the line, I assume. Papa Emotion. Handsome boy.
He's like, whoa. There's too many people.
There's a lot of people here. Well, they have a healthy one.
The Powerade one.
Yeah. Hi, Papa. Too tired. Bagel. Hey, how's it going, man?
All right.
Good, good.
What's up, little kiddo?
Say what's up,
guys.
can I try your big city pastrami?
Would you like that with 1 or 2 eggs?
With 1 egg, please. Yeah. Oh, wasn't this Pete's? Oh, how about we just go to this new locations now? Yeah, you're okay with getting started? I mean, I don't want Starbucks stuff. That's the only option we have. Handsome boy. We just got a compliment. Well, baby did. This older lady said that he's the cutest baby she's ever seen. And it's so true. Just look at him. I want to see if there's even like tables. Oh, look at the dog. Huh? Oh, because you want to customize it, huh? Oh.
Here's six.
That's mine?
Yeah.
Wow, that's mine. Let's walk. Huh? Probably this Sunday. Yeah, I got it.
So did you pick here? Because
Oh, baby. Look at that big volleyball that they have over there. That inflatable one.
oh, maybe so.
They're having like a tournament. Well, let's walk to the... I thought we were walking to the aquarium.
Oh,
Yeah. That way after we could just maybe walk.
No, she was like saying like we're on vacation.
Yeah, it's like a volleyball tournament.
Probably.
Beach volleyball. A while back.
we didn't someone else right now.
I don't think so.
Ow. Look, Papa. Papa. Mira.
Show them the water.
Mira. 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 Oh my goodness. Imagine he ends up like
Manny. Manny the great white shark. Look at that.
Keep it in.
Oh, he's mad. Look, he'll open his mouth. He's like, don't get close.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Girl, panic.
You panic? I'll jump in. I'll jump right in.
Oh, I mean, obviously I'll panic, but I'll have to jump in.
What is that? I'm not even paying attention to him. So sad. His dad's on the phone. I'm not even paying attention.
You guys didn't see it? Well, it's like he wanted
Alright, and that's actually going to be all for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and click all the other videos that YouTube is going to recommend. And I'll see you guys on the next one.